Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to stop uploading photos to iCloud. If you are using an iPhone and your photos are automatically uploaded to your iCloud, so you just have to follow some steps to stop them. First, you have to open your settings app and here open your profile, and your iProfile you have to open iCloud settings. Here's that, tab on it, and here you can easily get some settings of your iCloud. Here you have an option of photos, tab on it. In photos you can see this setting, which is sync this iPhone. If you have enabled this setting, so your photos will be automatically uploading to your iCloud. If you want to turn them off, so you just have to disable this setting. As you can see, I have already disabled it. So that's how you can easily stop uploading photos to your iCloud on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.